So we've got a function here by Vodacom essentially sits in Cape Town. Check all the solar panels on this board.
The Geely Radana full electric 4x4 bakkie is reversing in here by the charger by Vodacom's head office in Century City. We are busy commissioning this charger to test it, to make sure it's working. I just told the BYD Shark it needs to move, so it needs to go and put in petrol, because this full electric bakkie can't put in any petrol. It needs some electricity. Testing the charger here. So I'm going to stop the charge. I'm testing these chargers. I'm reversing into the charging bay just to test these new charging points that we have installed.